Alright guys, I'm sure you've seen me make videos of me cutting and graving. I do a lot of signs, and I've noticed that my bit is starting to leave a lot of little fuzzies like that right there. So this guy might be time to be replaced. So what I did was I ordered another one. This is the brand that I've been using. It's been doing pretty good. But I also just ordered this brand. I've never heard of it. It might be a Chinese bit, but I will give it a try. The only reason I bought it is because this bit right here, the Whiteside, it's got two I forget what they're called, but it's got two cutters, right? So it's got a cutter on this side and it's got a cutter on the other side. So this one, when I was scrolling around, this has three cutters. See, the flute, that's what it was, flute, right? So if you look at it, it's got, let's see if we can, there we go. See how it's got three different cutters? So in theory, this should cut cleaner. So what I'm gonna do is, this is the original, this bit right here is about 2 years old. I'm actually surprised I got that many cuts out of it, but business has picked up and I'm cutting about, I don't know, 50 a month now, so I need a new bit. So let's do another cut with the new bit, we'll compare, and then I'll do another cut with this bit, and then we'll do some comparison without any kind of cleanup work. So stay tuned. Here, listen to some classical music instead. Alright, so this is the Whiteside bit, so it's much better, but I do still see a lot of little cleanup things that need to get done. But overall, it's night and day. I mean, this bit was definitely due to be changed. So let's go ahead and check out the Turnexxte bit next. Guys, sometimes I just forget to show the quality of this flattening bit. I mean, it's just amazing. So this right here is because I kept it there for just a little too long, so basically polished it. But a little sandpaper, like 400 grit, if you really wanted to, you could just take that right back out. I'm still gonna run this later on with sandpaper and kind of make it perfect. But I mean, it's beautiful, nice and level. So I just pretty much cleaned these little pieces with sandpaper, but otherwise this part right here, it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and put in the big guy, see if it's worth the money. 3 flutes. Alright guys, so this is the one with the little blue tip on there, the 3 flute, and in my opinion it does not look that good. So let me show you the 3 different ones. This right here is the new Whiteside bit before I clean it up. And then this is the old Whiteside bit before I clean it up. So see, the old one had a lot of little frays in there. And then this is the new one. And then this is the 3 flute. So if we pick a specific area, right? Let me adjust the light real quick. Okay. So let's look at this area. This is a problem area. This is the old bit. And then this is the new bit. So much better than the old bit. But when we look at the 3 flute, it's actually pretty good. But this one is better. So 3 flute, 2 flute. Let's look at another area. So let's look at like this area right here. So this is the 3 flute. Looks like it had a really tough time with this area here. And then this is the 2 flute. In my opinion, from what I can tell, it does look better on here. But for some reason, this actually looks like it's probably not even a 90-degree V-bit. It actually looks much finer versus this one. This one seems much wider of a cut. And then of course there's the old bit. So the old bit looks similar to the new 3 flute bit, and then the new bit looks better. Now a lot of this stuff can actually get cleaned up very quickly. So like this is the cleanup that's required on a new bit. It looks pretty good. So this is the old bit. And then this is the 3 flute. So I don't know, you guys tell me what you think. Let me try turning the light on my phone here. Maybe that helps. So this again, this is the 3 flute. This is the new 2 flute. Let me know what you guys think. And this is the old 2 flute.